Model, 2020 Vauxhall Combo 2300 Sportive 1.5 non-runner engine seized Euro 6 Vat included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 88,659. MOT, the 20th of June 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 turbo 100 PSS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turnover. Then you will need repairing or replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control.